know if I ever have anyone to play soccer with.
Oh.
Cute. Oh, thanks. No, you need to run. Where? Soccer monster friends go run. Let's play soccer.
Ceci, corre así como ella.
I think we lost him. For now.
Hey, look. A soccer ball. Here's another one. And another one. Detective Tyrone, look at all these soccer balls. This must be the soccer monster's gym. I bet your ball is here somewhere. Uniqua gets the ball. Pitch it to Uniqua. Hold on there, young lady. We've got to find your soccer ball and get out of here. Now, how do you know which ball is your ball? Easy. Mine has pink spots. Pink spots. Okay. Red spots, black spots, white spots, no spots, square spots, big spots, pink spots. Boy, he has a lot of soccer balls. He certainly does.